W's in the chat if you can hear me. W's in the chat if you can hear me. Okay, well, I can hear myself, so yeah, easy. Let's get some music on the screen now. We just had FOMC, guys. We literally just had FOMC. And as you can see right now on the screen, this is exactly what I called on Monday. I told you guys at some point we can expect gold to sell, and look exactly what happened. Gold literally, I mean literally sold. You guys can go back to Monday's stream and you'll see it for yourself. I told you guys gold is going to sell, and this is exactly what happened. It literally sold off to the downside. Amazing if you ask me. Absolutely amazing. But since we're on the topic of amazement, guys, yeah, let me show you something that's really and truly amazing right now with FundingRock. So as you can see, we are on the FundingRock website. There is a new program that we have just launched called Pay After You Pass. Literally, look at the words on the screen right now, guys. You can get started with as little as $5. You pay $5 to do a single challenge, and once you pass, you pay the rest. The good thing about this, guys, is that let's just say you pay $5 and you fail. That's okay. You only paid $5. So you can pay another $5 until you pass. I would rather pay $5 10 times just to pass versus paying $100 10 times just to pass. Does that make sense, guys? Either way, it makes sense to me, and I hope it makes sense to you. And as you can see, here are the current requirements on the screen. So every challenge has the same profit target. All you have to do is make 3 That's literally just one trade, 1:3, boom, easy. How easy can it be? 1:3, 3%, you've passed. Simple. Like, absolutely simple. Like, take advantage of this, guys, because nobody knows how long these offers are gonna last. Yeah, like I said, I would literally rather pay $5 over and over and over and over and over again until I pass. Because check this out. Let's just say you go for a 50K challenge. It's 300 to pay, right? Or would you rather pay $300 so many times until you pass, or would you rather pay $5 until you get to 300? It's really a no-brainer. Let's take out the calculator for a moment, okay? Let's take out the calculator for a moment. I want to calculate something here real quick. So let's divide 300 by 5. 60. 300 by 5 is 60. So imagine you pay this 60 times. At least, let's just say 10 times out of those 60, you would have passed. Right? Now let's multiply 300 times 60 for the same amount. Okay? For the exact same amount. So if I was to pay $300 60 times, that's $18,000. 300 times 60 is $18,000. You do the maths. Do you want to pay $5 60 times to pass 60 times, or would you rather pay $300 60 times? Come on, guys. This is literally what you call a no flipping brainer. So make sure you guys take advantage of this. Because if you don't, somebody else is. It's only $5, really and truly speaking. So yeah, let's continue. So we literally just dropped a new video as well, explaining the ins and outs of what's stopping you from becoming a profitable trader. And the truth is, you might think that it's all chart talk. Oh, it's not chart talk, guys. It's literally spilling the real tea on why you're actually failing account challenges. So after this stream, make sure you hop over to the YouTube channel and check that out. Yeah, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Right. Okay, so that's that. Are we all on the same page? If I were you guys, even a 10K account, $100. $100. That's about 20 attempts. Within 20 attempts, you would have definitely at least 5 of those attempts, you would have definitely got funded. 3% profit target, 4% daily loss, and 8% overall. And guess what? You're also allowed to trade the news. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this, guys. Oh, and guess what? Your withdrawals are instant. Crazy, 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 crazy. So let's take a look at Forex Factory for the rest of the week, guys. So today, we had CPI in the morning. Came out negative. CPI came out negative. Literally, it came out negative, guys. Which only means one thing. I don't have to say too much, but it only means one thing. So let's quickly jump over to GBPJPY. Jump on the 1 hour time frame, and let's quickly jump over to May 20th. I'm just trying to show you guys something here. What happened on the 20th of May? Well, this is what happened on the 20th of May. News came out negative, boom, price shot towards the upside. However, today, it did not do that. It did not do that. FOMC has literally obliterated GJ, guys. Look at this. It's literally obliterated GJ. Like, can't make this up. You can actually not make this up. 6 a.m., 8 a.m. Insane. This is what you call insane. So let's jump into the 4 hour time frame just for a second. Let's just see what's happening in the 4-hour time frame. Nothing too crazy. We've now officially sold off. Let's go to the daily time frame. Ooh, the daily was still in a bit of an uptrend. We have literally just hit that fair value gap. Let's go into the weekly time frame. We don't want all the time frames to. We do not want all these time frames to, have conflict. That's what we don't want. We don't want these time frames to have conflict with one another. So from what I can see, we're clearly selling. Selling. What might happen is price might retrace to this point and continue to sell. God damn. Yeah, price might retrace to this exact point and sell off to the downside. That's my outtake right now. Sorry, I wasn't even sharing the screen. So that's my outtake right now on GJ. GJ has a high chance it's just going to keep on selling. Keep on selling. Let's take a look at US30. Let's see what's happening with US30. Just taking off as per usual. So US30, guys, is a gap. I don't have to say anything. If you know, you know. So we have a gap right here. So you can expect, I repeat, with US30, just expect price to keep going down. That's it. Just expect price to keep going down. We don't have to overcomplicate things, because I feel like when you overcomplicate things, what's the point? Like, what is the actual point of overcomplicating the charts? It doesn't need to be done. So yeah, US30 clear sells. Like, sells are clear as day. If you ask me, themselves are clear as day. So now we need to kind of remark our charts just to make sure that everything is correct, Amundo. So this is 125, 125. 125, 3, 2, 15 plus 25. Yeah, this is the most tedious part about marking out the charts, guys. Well, it's the most tedious part for me, because I have to do this. Yeah, I don't expect price to always keep making new higher highs and higher lows, but guess what? It does it anyway without my permission. So you know what that means. I have to come back onto the charts and literally something's not right here. 5-4. No. Something's not right. 5-2. 432.40 557. I knew something wasn't right. 557. 50. That looks about right. So yeah, guys, I literally have to do this over and over and over and over again every couple of months. But as of recent, I've been doing it quite a lot, because price keeps making new higher highs, new higher lows, new higher highs, and new higher lows. So it's a bit frustrating sometimes. But we're here now, though, so we might as well kill two birds, one stone, so you guys can see how we do it behind the scenes whenever we are looking to trade US30. 807. 807. And whenever you draw these lines in the chart, make sure you lock them, guys, because you don't want to accidentally use the mouse and let the mouse have a mind of its own and switch it up. So boom. Five, 3, 2, 5, 0. Boom. Amazing. So from here to here, it's 250. So let's get the other 250 in. 52375 plus 250, 5625. This is the price you have to pay, guys. Unfortunately, this is the price you have to pay in order to be a perfectionist on the charts. Unfortunately. Again, plus 215, 875. So come up here, 250. Hopefully price doesn't make any new higher highs and higher lows, because if it does, I'll be so pissed off, guys. I'll literally be so pissed. 125, 53, 125, 53, 125, 53, 125, 53, 125. At the start of doing this, it's so tedious, but it actually kind of gets fun. It's like a game. It's like a game. Plus 250, 53, 375, 53, 375, 53. And like, guys, just take a look at this. If I was to zoom out, let me just go into the 4-hour time frame. If I was to zoom out, you think this is a game? Look how many of these lines I have. I have these lines from all the way down here. Literally. That's how you know I'm actually dedicated to this. Look at those, look at this. I have manually input each and every one of these lines by myself. Literally. So are you willing to do what it takes, is my question. Are you willing to do what it takes? So let's go into the 15-minute time frame. We're going into 15-minute time frame. Scaling into NY session. Boom, boom, boom. This was 3 o'clock. This was 3. This was 2:30. 5 minutes. FOMC, boom, boom. So let's go back to Forex Factory for a second, guys. So let's take a look at what's happening tomorrow. Claimant count change first thing in the morning. It's going down. Claimant count change in the morning tomorrow. It's going downtown. Then we've got news at 12 p.m. and then official bank rate. So this will be very, 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 very interesting to see. If you ask me, super, super interesting. I knew something was missing with this. Is there any background music right now? I knew something was missing with this. Is there any background music? What's missing with this? All of my phone are dead. So I cannot check if there's any background music. Phone literally just stuff. Yeah. Tony Gold, I won't even lie with you. I completely agree. Today the news was actually so vicious, man. I couldn't believe what's happening. I was actually looking for buys on GBPJPY and I got wiped out. Wiped out. Clean.
By the time you wake up, they've already done what they need to do for half the day. These type of people, I don't understand it. They can go bed at 5 and still wake up at 8, 9, 10. They don't even feel tired, they feel energized. You're thinking how? They can even have 1 hour sleep. They're still okay. See, that's what happens to me. Anytime I was about 8, 9, 10, I don't leave me alone. Today I woke up at 7, I went to bed at 3. Why?
So yes, I think US 30 is gonna buy, guys. But tomorrow it might sell though, because we've got unemployment claims and some other things. So yeah, we need to be careful. We need to be aware because you don't want to be in on the wrong side of the market. So yeah, basically this is just the waiting game. The waiting game is literally the worst part about trading, guys. Like you just have to sit here and just wait for the setup to present itself each and every time. But other than that, there is nothing more for us to dissect. Really and truly speaking, there is nothing more for us to dissect. We have to just wait for this FOMC news to blow over. And once it blows over, then we can start looking at setups. So like I said earlier this week, I told you guys, yeah, I literally told you guys that gold is going to sell to this opening. Look, that's exactly what it did. So it's probably going to sell off a bit more and fully fill it in. That's what I think gold is going to do. It's going to sell off a little bit more and fully fill it in. But yeah, outside of that, guys, that's pretty much that. This week was a quiet week for the market. Nothing too crazy happened except FOMC, so that's it. So outside of that, guys, thank you guys so much once again for tuning in as per usual. Hopefully tomorrow we can get better setups after the news blows over and we're able to actually find A1 solid setups, because if we cannot find A1 solid setups, it's okay. We need to just sit on our hands and just wait for that perfect opportunity to present itself. And if it does not present itself, it's completely fine. We just have to wait and wait and wait. But when it does, you already know, we're like a sniper. Boom. Simple as that. Outside of that, guys, once again, like I said, thank you so much for joining, and I will catch you on the next stream. Peace and love.
That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future. Best of luck.